That does not sound like a cat. It sounds like a dog. Huh. It's like he's looking for somebody.